Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a music visualizer in your desktop. And as you can see, this is the music visualizer, and every time I play some song from here, this music visualizer is playing. So let's start first this music visualizer and let me show you how to add it, and also how to add a clock or other things like weather widgets and system monitoring. So yeah, so first search in Google this software rain matter. This actually, click on the first link. This actually a software that allows you to put some skins as music visualizer, clocks and other things, as I said, to your desktop. So click on download, and yeah, don't worry, safety, as you can see I already have it. That's it, that's the software. So here is how to add some skins here, how to add the music visualizer. Search for rain matter skins here, click on the first link, and from this side here you can download everything that you want to add in your desktop, like system monitoring, as I said, audio visualizer, weather widgets, rain matter clocks. And yeah, let's say we wanna download this simple clean, but I've already downloaded it. So but I'm gonna show you how to download it. Just click here again, click on install, and it appears here. This is your skin, simple clean, as you can see, simple clean, yeah, it's the same one. So how to enable these things here? For first look, it will looks like that. It will looks like that, but I've disabled some of them. So how to disable them is the same with as I showed you. Just right click on some, just let's say the greetings, we want to delete the greetings. How? Just right click on the greetings, click on unload, and as you can see it's gone. If you want to delete the menu, just right click on the menu, unload, and the menu is gone. Player, unload, and the player is gone. Also you can customize the hour, I mean the time. You can make it to 12 hour like this, or you can make it to 24 hour like this. And that's the visualizer, that's what you need. That's the actually the, yeah, if you unload it, it's gone. If you unload it, it's here. And also the clock, yeah, that's the clock time, yeah. And that's it, how to add a music visualizer into your desktop, in your desktop. Here is in this sites also you can put system monitoring that shows you your trash, your battery, your RAM memory and others. And yeah, that was it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like. And also, oh, I forgot, every time you play some song with your computer, PC, this music visualizer is playing. And yeah, that was it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you have some questions, if you have some problems, comment down below the video in the comments, and I will try to respond. See you next video. Bye.